Welcome to the demo of Niral.ai, an advanced AI-powered design-to-code platform. Simplify development with DICE, our seamless four-step approach. Step 1. Design. Step 2. Import. Step 3. Configure. Step 4. Execute. Let us now take a look at how this platform works in detail. Step 1. Design. Let's review the Figma designs for the investor relations platform we developed for a prominent finance outsourcing and consulting firm in India. This platform streamlines master settings, AMC operations, and investor management, facilitating user access, entity tracking, reporting, automated emails, and support services for efficient fund administration and investor engagement. Step 2. Import. First, we log into Niral.ai. Create a new project by entering the project name and pick the preferred JavaScript framework, Angular, React, Vue, React Native for code generation. Then, we enter the Figma design URL along with the authentication token. Within seconds, Niral.ai processes the designs and generates the corresponding front-end code. Once the design is imported, navigate to the API section. Here, simply upload the OpenAPI specification document, version 3.1.0, and the platform will automatically generate the corresponding API services. You can also view the API responses and explore the data schema, all within the platform, ensuring a seamless integration experience. Step 3. Configure the UI for functionality. We also ensure full responsiveness across devices, including tablets and mobile screens. Data binding is enabled for form fields and variables, ensuring seamless user interactions. We set up state management and actions for buttons, inputs, and dynamic elements. Every component supports event triggers, from click actions to dynamic updates. We streamline user interactions by defining event-driven workflows. Actions such as form submissions, conditional logic, API calls, and UI updates are visually mapped, ensuring a seamless user experience. Finally, we integrate API binding using OpenAPI 3.0 standards, allowing real-time data connectivity. To complete the setup, we configure page navigation, ensuring smooth transitions between screens. Step 4. Execute to generate clean, production-ready code. With all configurations in place, we generate the final front-end code. The entire project is now available in React, Angular, Vue, or React Native. The generated code can be committed directly to Git, keeping the development process seamless. Finally, we download the entire project folder, ready for further development or deployment. In 4 steps, we transformed a Figma design into production-ready front-end code. Experience Niral.ai and accelerate your development workflow today.